BRICS debates a new global currency, a move to ditch the US dollar and avert sanctions. A new direction for BRICS, seeking a global currency. The BRICS group, an alliance of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is making headlines with its latest initiative. A potential new global currency. The idea is driven by a growing desire to reduce reliance on the US dollar and circumvent the risks associated with sanctions. As the BRICS leaders prepare for their upcoming meeting, discussions on this new currency and its potential impact are gaining momentum. Exploring the possibilities, digital currency and local currency use. South African ambassador to China Siyabonga Cyprian Quayle announced that the BRICS nations will meet this month to discuss the specifics of this new currency. The agenda includes exploring the potential benefits of a digital currency in facilitating global trade and settlement while also mitigating the risk of sanctions. The BRICS are advancing the progress of its common currency, while actively promoting the use of local currencies from member states to reduce the risks of solely relying on the US dollar, Quayle said. He highlighted the importance of supporting the use of local currencies through open financial data sharing, and emphasized that digital currencies could be a key mechanism for creating more stable trade and settlement systems. BRICS has expanding influence, more nations joining the bloc. The push for a new currency comes during a period of significant expansion for BRICS. In 2022, the organization welcomed Saudi Arabia, Iran, Ethiopia, Egypt, and the United Arab Emirates. According to Quayle, more than 20 additional countries have expressed interest in joining the group, indicating a growing appetite for an alternative to the current dollar-dominated system. Quayle mentioned that BRICS leaders are working on creating guidelines for adding new countries, aiming to make the process non-discriminatory and addressing issues beyond economics. This broader approach indicates that BRICS is not just about economic alliances but also about building a diverse and inclusive global community. Mixed signals from Russia, common currency or localized solutions. At last year's BRICS summit, discussions around a common digital currency were anticipated, but the focus shifted to using local currencies for cross-border payments. Now, with the expansion of BRICS, Russia is the current chair of the organization, and its stance on a common currency seems to fluctuate. Russia's Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov recently suggested that a common currency is not a current priority. Yet he also indicated that it could be achieved quickly, potentially within a year. This duality in messaging adds an element of uncertainty to the BRICS currency discussions. A future not tied to the dollar, what lies ahead? Despite the mixed signals, there's a clear desire among BRICS members to explore alternatives to the US dollar for international trade. Russia's governor of the bank, Elvira Nabiullina, acknowledged the complexities of creating a single BRICS currency, but mentioned that the central bank's current digital currency pilots are designed to support integration with similar foreign solutions. Ryabkov's recent comments further underscore this cautious yet optimistic approach. He mentioned that while BRICS might not be ready for a common currency just yet, there's a quite bold, quite innovative scheme in the works that could emerge much sooner than expected. Conclusion: the BRICS bloc's new vision for global economics. As the BRICS leaders meet to discuss their next steps, the idea of a new global currency looms large. While there's uncertainty about whether it will be a digital or common currency, the intention to reduce reliance on the US dollar and avoid sanctions is clear. With BRICS's expanding influence and more countries interested in joining, the group's evolving approach to global economics is one to watch closely. The potential for a new currency to change the dynamics of global trade and finance is significant. Whether it's a common BRICS currency or a network of local currencies, the ripple effects could be felt across the world. As the group explores these new avenues, one thing is certain. The traditional power structures in global economics are undergoing a shift, and BRICS is at the forefront of this transformation. Please like and subscribe.